In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI UGC ads with Bio 3.1.
My hair was pure frizz, 3 washes with this Pantene, and it's actually soft now.
So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to click in the image section. Now here, we're going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click here where it says settings. We're going to change the model to GPT image 2 and the quality to medium. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality. And the quality is more or less the same. So now let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have to choose one of these 3 images. So personally, I liked this one, so I'm going to download it. And now again in the image section, now I'm going to paste this prompt. This is to create an image like this one, where the girl is holding the product. We have to upload the image of the girl and the image of the product. So let's click here. And well, as I said, this prompt and all the prompts of the video are going to be in the comment section. Now, here, where it says images, we're going to change to only 1 image. This because we don't need more. And now we have to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait another minute. Perfect. Here we have the image. And now, to create the video, we have to click here, where it says use as a start frame. And now we have to paste the following prompt. This is a very simple prompt that is going to be in the comment section, where I describe a little bit the scene and I created a little dialogue. So now we have to go to settings and in model, be sure that the model is Bio 3.1. And now finally, we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
My hair was pure frizz, 3 washes with this Pantene, and it's actually soft now.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. It looks really realistic, the video, and the quality is really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try NovoAds AI for just $1, and then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. Remember that the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and after saying that, see you in the next video.